Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, ding dong, that is the song with joyful ring. All caroling, one seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising their sound, o'er hill and dale, telling their tales. Merry, merry, while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here, merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. On they send on without end their joyful tone to everyone. Sweet silver bells all seem to say, throw cares away. Throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and bold. Bringing cheer. Oh, how they pound, raising their sound, o'er hill and dale, telling their tales. Merry, merry, while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here, merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Listen, all without end, to everyone. La da 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 da, 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 la da da da
Carol the Bells video. We hope you loved it, and if you did, please go buy our Christmas CD. It is out now on iTunes and Amazon, and you can get a physical copy on our website, ptxofficial.com.
And if you guys missed us in 2012, don't worry, we'll be back on tour in 2013. You can check out our dates on www.ptxofficial.com. And if you're interested in VIP tickets, that is also the website for you.
Which is fun because we get to hang out with you.
We do.
Yeah, so
we
want to hang out with you.
Take
pictures.
And a bunch of other pluses.
Yeah, so get your tickets. Also, really exciting news. This year at the American Music Awards, we're going to be there performing at the Coca-Cola Live pre-show red carpet event, and it's going to be awesome. You can check out where to see it on our website, ptxofficial.com.
Thank you guys.
Thanks so much.
Thank you guys.